I asked ChatGPT how to build a robot dog, and this is the result. A walking cardboard dog, powered by an ESP32and 8, servos fully controlled with my smartphone. Let me show you how it works. An ESP32 microcontroller to be the brain of the robot. A PCA 9685 servo driver to control multiple servos. 8 SG90 micro servos for the legs. A 5 to 6 volt power supply to feed the motors. Let's start the project by cutting all the cardboard pieces for the robot, the legs, the knees, and the main body. Now let's glue all the components together using hot glue. This will hold the cardboard structure firmly in place and give our robot dog its basic shape. Next, we make holes in the cardboard legs to mount the servo motors that will move the knees. These servos will allow each leg to bend and lift during walking. Now we use a solid piece of cardboard for the body, and we make 4 holes to insert our servo motors. These will control the legs of the robot dog. The wiring is actually very simple. Each servo motor already comes with a 3-pin connector, and it just plugs directly into the PCA 9685 board. The PCA 9685 is powered with 5 to 6 volts, and it connects to the ESP32 with only 2 wires, SDA and S. One very important detail, I used 2 separate power supplies, one 5-volt supply for the servo motors, and a separate one for the ESP32. This way, the servos don't disturb the microcontroller and everything runs more stable. It wasn't easy at the beginning. At first, I bought a cheaper type of motors, but they turned out to be a complete disaster, so I had to switch to proper SG90 servo motors, and finally the robot started to work. Now, it's time to make it walk. Let's open the Arduino IDE and connect our ESP32 board to the computer using a USB cable. Copy the code that I'll leave for you in the description and then press upload. Now let's go to the App Inventor website. Click on Project, then Import Project from Aya. You can download the project file from the description. After that, go to Build, select Android APK, and wait until a QR code appears. You can scan this QR code with your smartphone to download the app and connect to the So now let's connect the power supply, open the app, search for the Bluetooth device named Dog Remote, and click on Walk Forward. Let's see how it walks. From a simple ChatGPT idea, I built this to go. It's just a fun demonstration project. Not perfect, since the flat feet make walking a bit tricky, but you can change the code and improve it as you like. If you enjoyed this project, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more crazy DIY builds.